Hi everyone, this is lecture 7 where we are going to study in detail about heading and paragraph in HTML. So, heading in HTML are used to define the structure and hierarchy of your content. There are 6 levels of heading that I already taught you, H1 being the highest and then H6 is the lowest one. They are used to organize and label different sections of your web page. And we have HTML paragraph, which is denoted by p tag, and it is used to define the paragraph. It represents a block of text and is a fundamental building block for structuring content. Text within p tag is typically displayed with some space above and below. Let me show you with practical examples so that you can understand very well. Let me remove these all because these all things I already taught you. For clear explanation, I'm going to remove this all from here. And inside title, I'm going to change my title now because we are going to study about heading. We are going to study about what's the title should be? HTML headings and paragraph. So let me write this. Headings and paragraph. Now inside body, I'm going to write my heading 1, H1. This is used for the main heading, and here I'm going to write main title of the page. And inside this, the main title of the page, I'm going to write a paragraph. Welcome to my website. Here you will find information about various topics. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use H2. And S2 is basically used for subheading. And inside S2, I am going to write this S2 is for introduction section. So here I am going to write introduction. And for introduction, I'm going to write paragraph for introduction as well. Now I'm going to make a paragraph. And inside paragraph, I'm going to write a detail about this heading, like what introduction is going to show us. So this section provides an introduction to a website and its purposes. Then we are going to write H3 and H3 and H4 and H5 and H6 is used for further subheading. So here I am going to write H3 only and here I am going to write about us. So for about us also I am going to write some paragraph inside about us what we are going to show. So we are team dedicated. We are a team dedicated to sharing knowledge and engaging with our audience. Sharing knowledge and engaging with the audience. Okay, let me save this file and show you the difference. Now let me open my web page. So now you can see in this example, H1 represents the main title of a web page. Okay, this is the main title of a web page. Whereas P is used to give introductory text. Now, H2 and S3 create section and subsection heading, organizing the content hierarchically. Additional P tag provide detail under each heading, as you can see. So this structure has both browser and developer understand the organization of a content on the page. Heading gives a clear structure while paragraph contain the actual textual content. And you can also see that inside title bar, our title is showing as HTML heading and paragraph that we add, change document to HTML heading and paragraph. So this was the basic difference between a heading and a paragraph. And with this, I'm going to end this video here. So see you in the next video lecture.